What is a circular economy, and why is it so important? We are producing and consuming more than ever before. Since the 1970s, the global population has doubled, and resource extraction has more than tripled. With more people demanding more products and services, the natural environment is under immense pressure. The extraction and processing of materials, fuels and food contribute to half of global greenhouse gas emissions and over 90% of biodiversity loss. With global material consumption set to double by 2060, our present ways of taking materials from the earth, making products and throwing them away means we would need the equivalent of almost 3 planets to sustain current lifestyles. Our take, make, waste mode of consumption risks devastating climate change, mass extinction of plant and animal species, and the displacement of societies, with the poorest and most marginalised the worst affected. To protect the one planet we have, we need to transform the way we manage land, how industry extracts, processes and uses materials, and how we all consume and dispose of goods, by swapping a linear economy for a circular economy. In a circular economy, products are designed to last longer and use fewer raw materials. By being reused, repaired, remanufactured and recycled, this minimises waste and reduces pollution, carbon emissions and habitat loss. This could reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 39% and ease pressure on raw materials demand by 28%. Some solutions are clear. Rolling out current good practice in managing and recycling municipal waste would save nearly 3 billion tonnes of carbon emissions annually, equivalent to the global CO2 emissions from aviation, plus over half of the world's cars. A circular economy starts below the ground and under our seas. We need to ease pressure on our oceans by reducing their overexploitation for food and raw materials and ceasing to use them as a rubbish dump. That means reducing wastefulness and finding alternative sources of the resources we need. Our soil, our Earth itself, is second only to our oceans as the world's largest carbon sinks. Nurturing healthy and resilient soils is vital for producing the food, biofuels and biomaterials we need while addressing climate change. This means a shift to regenerative land use and agroforestry, and a change to our relationship with animal agriculture, alongside eliminating food waste and returning biomass to the soil. Closing material loops not only tackles climate and biodiversity crises together, but also builds a more resilient economy by providing material security, saving money, and creating new jobs. A sustainable future is still possible, but we need to change the way we use and produce materials, products, and food. Shifting to a circular economy is the only way we can have the benefits of a prosperous economy while staying within the limits of our natural resources. Urgent steps need to be taken by policymakers, business, and society, underpinned by evidence-based and science-led solutions. Together, we can transition to a circular economy to make a thriving, low-carbon world a reality.